Okay, so I'll give you a little update on the on this little project I've worked on. I've got a the aluminum boat that goes on top of the truck rack with a winch. That works pretty well. We've been using that so we can take it when we take the travel trailer and we can go fishing. But I do have an outboard motor. I got a trolling motor, battery, gas tank, fishing gear, seats I put in there, all of that. And it's not that hard, but it's a little bit of a hassle to do that at the boat ramp each time. So we got thinking about it, and I got the idea to have a little boat trailer that I could either hoist up with the boat or disassemble enough to put in the back of the truck so I can get to the campsite. I can drop the boat on it, and I can install the motor, trolling motor, batteries, get everything all ready to go.
Okay, so this is the little Harbor Freight trailer. Capacity is about 1,200 pounds, which would be way more than I need for the boat. So the plan is to turn this into a boat trailer. So it comes with a the front beam that connects to the trailer hitch is only about 6 feet long, which is not long enough since my boat's 12 foot. So I've ordered a piece of steel about 11 foot long. I haven't got it yet, but I will bolt that on here and here. Okay, so this is the little trailer with the bunks on it. As you can see, I've got, I put some wood bunks on it to hold the boat up just above the fenders. Should be plenty sturdy for that light boat. They're bolted in there and they're fixed. I can adjust them a little if I need to, but I don't think I'll need to. And then I also bought this long piece of square tubing here. That's going to be the tunnel.
Okay.
The plan is we haul the boat up here on top of the truck like usual. Then we get here, I put the trailer together. I'll just take the tongue off, and I'll probably video that at some point, but I'm not doing that right now. And then we'll put the boat on the trailer. We'll load the motor and everything on there, which I won't do today. But we'll get all the fishing stuff in there all ready for fishing at the campsite, and then we can just take it down and do it.
Right.
I've learned that you have to keep the trailer a little ways away from the truck or it doesn't work. But fortunately the boat's real light, so it's easy enough to just slide it up into position once it's on there. If the boat was much heavier, I'd have to be much more exact with this, but it's light, so it's easy. I have to give myself a little slack so I can undo the cable here. Now I just need to slide this forward just a little bit. Now I'll unhook the back ropes. nice thing is this is all done at the campsite, more or less at my leisure, so I don't have to do it while I'm trying to get the boat in the water. Then just pull that forward, and it rests up here on this bow stop. About like that. Yep, got to come forward just a little more. It's really not crucial how far forward it comes, but I want it all the way onto the bunks back here. So there it is. That's all there is to it.
Yeah.
Okay, now we just reverse the process to go back up on the truck. I do have the wheels blocked here so the trailer doesn't roll around. Again, I could pull it back with the winch, but it's pretty light, so I really don't need to. And this is just easier. Oops, good rope. Not tied in these. Another thing I may try to do at some point in the future is to lift the whole trailer up on top of the truck, but I really need to make it much sturdier to do that because it would be I'm more than doubling the amount of weight then. Sometimes it's easier to just pull the boat than run the winch. Do that. Again, because the boat's so light, you can just kind of manhandle it sometimes. And now we go up. Only thing I discovered, like I say, you have to have the trailer a little ways away from the truck. Otherwise, the boat wants to bang into the back of the truck. And here we go up. This system works pretty good, but it's a little slow at the boat ramp. So I'm looking forward to this new way of doing it. You can see if I had that trailer on there, I think it would do it, but it'd be a little scary. If something had happened, you'd have no chance of holding it. Now I just pull it up and the boat will flop over. And then I grab the rope in the front and I just pull it forward and tie it down. And there we are.
There we are.
Okay.
Just a minute.
Okay.
Okay, go.
Okay. I've got the trailer tongue off. that just comes off 4 bolts. I slide that up there. That's not too difficult. It's a little hard to fit it up in there, but not too bad. And that's out of the way. Then I'm going to stand this up in the back here. Kind of gets caught on the bed of the truck. But it goes up there okay. There it is. All hooked up now. There's the trailer. It's parked just waiting to take off tomorrow. There's the truck. I did check. The wheels will not hit the propane tanks there. They get close, but they don't hit it. Got everything loaded in there. Has the motorcycle, the boat, the trailer, outboard motor, electric trolling motor, everything's there. We are ready to go.
Okay, so that's pretty much the end of the project. I am going to make a few minor changes. Mainly I'm going to extend that tongue a little bit. I like it a little bit longer so I can back that trailer into the water a little deeper. Worked good, had no problems with it. The next project I'm going to maybe tackle will be to modify the boat, cut the seats out, put a floor in, make that a little more comfortable to fish out of while it still maintains its lightweight and stability. So I will do some planning on that, and if I go ahead on that project, I will have some video on it. Thanks.